is a Hungarian-based company, and we are producing oncological hyperthermia devices. Our device is very popular around the world. We have more than 600 installations in 35 countries. Pakistan is a new market for us. We know that how so excellent this country. The population is very high, 235 million people, and that could be an excellent choice, excellent opportunity for us to start our activity in the country. This is our first time in Pakistan, and I hope that this cooperation with our partner who located in Karachi could be fruitful for both parties. Pakistan is a new market for us, and it's a great pleasure for us that we can be here. And this event was excellent. How was organized this meeting? How was organized this event? It is excellent. So thank you so much for your invitations, and we are happy to hear. And we hope that we can help to the Pakistan peoples as well. We are absolutely planning to come in the next years as well. The Hungarian Export Promotion Agency who supported this event, I think they are absolutely interested to invest again to the Pakistan market, and we will come again.